Welcome, wealth achievers. Have you ever wondered how certain individuals accumulate wealth and live comfortably without being tied to the daily grind? Today, we've got the roadmap for you. Join us as we unravel the secrets of 10 money rules for financial success, crafting your path to prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned investor, yearning for liberation from the daily hustle, or simply curious about financial success, ponder this. What if the keys to lasting wealth are more straightforward than you imagine? Let's embark together. Welcome to Soltivate, where today's ambitions are sculpted into tomorrow's achievements. Number 10. Being patient and disciplined for financial success. Achieving financial success is a journey that demands unwavering patience and disciplined adherence to a long-term perspective. It is not an instantaneous outcome, but rather a culmination of consistent efforts and strategic planning. Patience becomes the guiding force, allowing individuals to weather the inevitable challenges and fluctuations in the financial landscape. Discipline plays a pivotal role in adhering to predefined money goals, especially during challenging times, ensuring that decisions are not impulsive but align with a carefully crafted financial strategy. In essence, the combination of patience and discipline forms the bedrock upon which lasting financial success is built, fostering resilience and steadfast commitment to one's financial objectives. Number 9. Handle debt smartly. Effectively managing debt is a skill that can transform it from a burden to a strategic financial tool. Acknowledging the dual nature of debt, capable of both aiding and hindering, underscores the importance of smart handling. Prioritizing high-interest debts is a key tactic, ensuring that financial resources are allocated efficiently. Crafting a clear, realistic plan to repay debts methodically empowers individuals to regain control over their financial standing. Seeking expert advice becomes invaluable, providing insights into tailored solutions and prudent strategies. The judicious handling of debt not only alleviates immediate financial pressures, but also paves the way for sustained economic well-being and future financial success. Number 8. Saving and investing for your future. Securing financial well-being necessitates a dual commitment to saving and investing. Establishing automatic savings mechanisms streamlines the process, fostering consistency and fiscal responsibility. Deliberate investment choices, including tax-friendly retirement accounts, amplify the potential for a secure future. By allocating a portion of income towards savings, individuals fortify their financial foundation, creating a safety net for unforeseen circumstances and future aspirations. Thoughtful investments, especially in retirement accounts, not only offer financial protection, but also lay the groundwork for long-term wealth growth, ensuring a robust and stable financial future. Number 7. Developing a growth mindset for financial success. Cultivating a growth mindset is indispensable for navigating the complexities of financial success. This mindset facilitates adaptability in the face of challenges and promotes a proactive approach to learning from inevitable mistakes. Embracing continuous learning and improvement becomes the cornerstone of long-term financial prosperity. The belief that abilities can be developed over time encourages individuals to persevere through setbacks, view obstacles as opportunities for growth, and remain resilient in the pursuit of financial goals. In essence, a growth mindset fosters a dynamic and forward-thinking approach crucial for sustained financial success. Before we delve into our next money rule, subscribe to Soltivate and become a part of our amazing journey focused on personal growth and learning about money. Number 6. Connecting with others for success. Harnessing the power of networking is a strategic key to unlocking a realm of opportunities, forging valuable partnerships, and cultivating meaningful friendships. A robust network serves as a catalyst for personal and professional growth, providing access to diverse perspectives and resources. Actively engaging in events, professional groups, and connecting with like-minded individuals expands one's sphere of influence. This interconnected web becomes a reservoir of support, propelling individuals toward success by fostering collaboration, sharing insights, and creating a dynamic ecosystem where collective achievements flourish. Networking thus becomes a potent force driving both personal and professional advancement. Number 5. Keep learning and getting better. Amidst the rapid evolution of our world, an unwavering commitment to continuous learning and skill enhancement emerges as the linchpin for professional success. Embracing a proactive stance toward ongoing education not only bolsters individual knowledge, but also elevates one's value within the workforce. In this dynamic landscape, the correlation between relentless learning and increased earnings becomes evident. The ability to adapt and acquire new skills positions individuals as valuable assets, ensuring relevance and competence in an ever-changing job market. This dedication to perpetual improvement becomes a strategic pathway to sustained career growth and financial prosperity. Number 4. Make smart investments. Crafting intelligent investments involves a strategic approach, with diversification serving as a key risk mitigation tool. By spreading investments across varied assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, individuals can minimize potential risks and enhance overall portfolio stability. Staying well-informed about market trends is paramount, akin to tending to a thriving garden. Regularly monitoring the performance of investments ensures timely adjustments to align with market dynamics. Seeking professional advice further amplifies the wisdom behind investment decisions, providing expert insights and enhancing the potential for optimal returns in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Number 3. Create different ways to make money. Fostering financial resilience involves a strategic embrace of diverse income streams. Diversification, akin to cultivating a varied garden, entails exploring side businesses, investments, and passive income avenues. By venturing beyond traditional sources, individuals create a robust and adaptable financial ecosystem. Side businesses offer supplementary earnings, investments contribute to wealth growth, and passive income provides stability without active labor. This multifaceted approach ensures that, much like a well-tended garden with diverse plants, one's financial landscape remains resilient, capable of weathering economic fluctuations and cultivating sustained stability. Number 2, make a money plan. The cornerstone of financial stability lies in crafting a meticulous money plan, commonly known as budgeting. By meticulously tracking income, expenses, and savings, individuals gain a comprehensive understanding of their financial landscape. A budget serves as a guiding map, illuminating where resources are allocated and pinpointing opportunities for optimization. This financial roadmap enables informed decision-making, fostering responsible spending habits and strategic savings. It acts as a powerful tool, not just for short-term financial management, but as a blueprint for achieving long-term financial goals, ensuring that each financial step is intentional and aligned with one's broader financial aspirations. Number 1, plan your money goals. Establishing clear and smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound money goals, is the foundational step toward financial success. These goals serve as a detailed roadmap, guiding individuals through a strategic journey to achieve their financial aspirations. Unlike a general money plan, which focuses on budgeting and overall financial management, money goals provide specific targets. They act as beacons, directing financial decisions with precision and intentionality. By integrating SMART criteria, individuals ensure their goals are not only well-defined, but also realistic and time-sensitive. This clarity transforms financial planning into a dynamic process, empowering individuals to make informed choices that align with their overarching financial vision. All right, Money Maestros, these are your 10 golden rules to set your assets on a relentless hustle. Picture waving goodbye to the daily grind. It's not a distant fantasy. It's your roadmap to future financial triumph. Let this treasure trove of wisdom be an eye-opener. Spread it among your crew. Smash that like button if you're geared up to turn financial dreams into your living reality. Remember, the pathway to financial freedom unfolds with a click. Stay motivated, stay inquisitive, and let's conquer those cash goals together. It's your special invitation to embark on a prosperous journey. Are you ready to embrace these money rules for lasting financial success?